Question number 4, exercise 1b. A person has 75 sheets of paper. If each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Okay, this is the first part. How many sheets of paper that person is having? 75,000. Total sheets 75,000. Total sheets 75,000. And if each sheet makes 8 pages, that means फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ये एक शीट है ना, और ऐसी 75,000 शीट्स हैं इस पर्सन के पास, और इस एक शीट से इस एक शीट से कितने पेजेस बनते हैं? इस एक शीट से ये ऐसे 8 पेजेस बनते हैं। एक शीट से कितने पेजेस बनते हैं? 8 पेजेस। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and that is a big sheet. Okay, and from that big sheet, and the person is making 8 pages. How many notebook of 200 pages can be made using the above sheets? Okay, so now given number of sheets of paper available, that is 75,000. वन शीट 8 पेजेस। अगर एक शीट में 8 पेजेस हैं तो 75,000 शीट्स में कितने पेजेस होंगे? ओके, नंबर ऑफ पेजेस obtained from one sheet of paper, that is 8. So in one sheet we can make 8 pages. So from 75,000 sheets, how many papers we can make? Simply 75,000 into 8, and that is very easy. देखो, एक शीट से आप 8 पेजेस बना सकते हो, तो 75,000 शीट से कितने पेपर बना सकते हो? सिंपली मल्टीप्लिकेशन। सो 8 0 जा 0, 8 0 जा 0, 8 0 जा 0, 8 5 जा 40, अगेन 0, 4 कैरी, 8 7 जा 56 प्लस 4 60. So total number of pages obtained 6 lakh. Okay, now we have to make notebooks, and in each notebook total number of pages 200. Okay, so total pages we are having 6 lakh, and we want to convert that pages, or we want to make notebooks while using that pages. Okay, so 6 lakh pages total we are having, so number of notebooks made equals to total number of pages obtained, that is 6 lakh upon number of pages contained by one notebook. There are 200 pages, so write 200. So the 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, now divide 6,000 from 2. So 2 3 ja 6, cut, bring this 0 down, 2 0 ja 0, cancel, bring this 0 down, 2 0 ja 0, cancel, and the last one is 0 upon 0, cancel, here 0. So 3,000 notebooks we can make. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. And question number 5 is easy, only addition is there, so you can solve question number 5. Question number 6. A cricket player has so far scored 7,849 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000. How many more runs does he need? Okay, he wishes for 10,000 runs, but in actual he scored 7,849. So how many more runs does he need to get his target? Okay, so 10,000 runs उसको टोटल बनाने की एक इच्छा है ना, वो 10,000 रन्स कंप्लीट करने चाहता है, और प्रेजेंट में उसने इतने रन्स बनाए हैं, तो उसको और कितने रन्स चाहिए? तो सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे दोनों को, सब्ट्रैक्ट द अबाउट डाटा. So from there we are getting 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 7 2, 2,151 runs. Okay, so you know how to subtract, that is very easy. So you can solve question number 6. Then question number 7 and question number 8. Question number 7 is same as question number 2. You know very well, uh, candidate A and candidate B are there, only contestants. Okay, candidate A scored 9,32,567 votes. Candidate B scored 9,235. By how much margin did A win or lose election? So first of all, candidate A got more votes, so definitely he is winning. Okay, so you have to minus A minus B. That means votes of candidate A minus votes of candidate B. From there you will get your answer. Okay. Question number 8. Find the difference between the largest and the smallest 5 digits number that can be formed using the digits 5, 1, 6, 3 and 2 without repeating any digit. So the given digits are 5, 1, 6, 3 and 2. Using these digits 5, 1, 6, 3, 2, the largest 5 digit number that can be formed. So digits are 5, 1, 6, 3, 2. The largest 5 digit number that can be formed. So as you know, in the above data, the first largest number is 6, then after 5, 3, 2, 1. So largest 5 digit number that can be formed by using these digits is 65,321. Now using these digits 5, 1, 6, 3 and 2, the smallest 5 digit number that can be formed. So you know very well, in this above collection, the smallest digits are first 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, last 6. So 12,356. Now difference between the largest and the smallest. So difference between 65,321 and 12,356. Okay, so difference 65,321 minus 12,356. So this will be 11, 12, 4. So 11 minus 6, 5, then 11 minus 5, 6, then 12 minus 3, 9, 4 minus 2, 2, and 6 minus 1, 5. So the difference is 52,965. This is your required answer. Okay, so exercise 1B, complete your notes up to question number 8. Okay, thank you.